forgot to mention that within this other options we have ortho that we can highlight. Get rid of the other one, for example, rotating. Ortho allows us to draw perpendicularly, orthogonally, basically. As you can see, if I do a line, it doesn't change in any way except in the 90 degrees possibilities within the line. You get rid of it by pressing it. As you can see, highlights all the options. You can do this as a shortcut with shift. If you press shift, now there's no press. If you press shift, it only, while you're drawing, sets it to orthogonal automatically, and you just by leaving a shift and press should go back to the normal condition. So I think it's important. Let's go to the tools, like a little bit more one by one, what they mean. As you can see, there's a little line in the bottom right of each of the buttons. You can just press it, leave it pressed, and it will give you a sub toolbar, which is the ones that you get here by right-clicking. So you can sometimes just, okay, I want a curve. There's many ways to do a curve, as we can imagine. You just maintain it pressed, it gives you all of those. Good way to check what the button is about is either trying it, of course, or just by staying and maintaining the button on top of it. As you see, it tells you what the left button is about. In some other cases, it's left and right button. Let's see if I find one now. There you go. If you press left, it will do a mesh from surface, polysurface, and if you press right, it will do a polysurface with mesh. Okay. So actually, all these lines can do all the different options that AutoCAD does. So I invite you to explore those options of fillet, of creating arcs of different dimensions, creating angles within different lines, creating a copy, arrays, creating a surface out of things. So whoever knows AutoCAD, in the two-dimensional atmosphere, and probably by going to the top, you will be able to do the same things. You can do the lines, you can do ortho by clicking shift, and you can do afterwards. Just find it. We'll find out where it is, each of the things, but you're going to be able to do fillet here. You're going to be able to do different things with it. You're going to be able to extend the line that is here to this line. You're going to be able to do the same things that AutoCAD allows you to do. Okay. Let's check some of the things. Lines, all these different lines. You can go to each one of them, tell you surface normal. You can have point to points. I mean, I just recommend checking all of them little by little, but at the end, it's more of a working with them if you don't know what they are. You can create surfaces in many different ways that we'll explore in depth afterwards. But you can create different volumes, solids as they call them, like from a cone. Just check on so we know that the machine's not lying to us. Like do a cone, as you can see, it creates the cone there. So we can generate curves from objects, project curves to surfaces. We can cut. We can do all the things. We can join different curves together. We can split different curves together. We can trim different curves, different lines. We can do a copy, of course. So imagine that all these things that I'm mentioning, actually you can type here as well. For example, once again, copy means pressing, selecting, and copying, and you copy it here. A very important thing I recommend for whatever you do is always read what the command line is saying. In this case, for example, is copy it tells you select objects to copy. You select them. After selection, select objects to copy. Press enter when done. You press enter. Point and copy from. You press the button and point to here. So this is our memories. This is whatever. Whenever we don't know what to do, we just read the command line and it will tell us what to do. And not only the command line tells us what to do, but it gives you all the different options within that function that we want to do. So you can press and change those sub-options to perform the function in a different way. So always read the top left. I think this gives an idea of how the interface works. I invite everybody to explore all these conditions